Welcome back to Autistic Coder. In this tutorial, we're going over SQL stored procedures. These help us automate reusable logic. Let's get started. Stored procedures are blocks of SQL code you can save and run over and over again. They're great for complex operations that you don't want to repeat manually every time. With stored procedures, you can wrap up your logic and just call it when needed, kind of like using a function in code instead of rewriting everything from scratch. We'll work with our familiar orders table to demonstrate how storage procedures help simplify data management. Here's a stored procedure called add order. It takes a user ID, product ID, and fulfillment status and inserts a row into the orders table. Once created, calling the procedure is easy. Just use the call command with the appropriate values. Stored procedures are useful anywhere you want to run a standard set of actions reliably, especially when automating or integrating with other systems. Stored procedures are easy to create, simple to call, and powerful when you need repeatable behavior in your database. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Let's keep learning and growing together.